No, see, I've had it for a year, so it's working.
Oh, good. Yeah. I don't know. I don't even know why I mentioned it.
No, that's.
Sorry.
Is it your husband?
Yeah. All right. So here are the totes that we just received. And this is two more to add to the two that we already have. They are food grade IBC totes. And as you can see, they are in really, really good condition. Let me just make a quick little walk around. And if you look on the tag of it right here, it shows what was in the IBC tote. And these are 275 gallons. It can hold 275 gallons of water. And we already have two of these set up in the back. We had these last year and we used these for catching our rainwater. And we realized that it wasn't enough, so we decided to get a couple more. And these initial two are also food grade IBC totes. Now today we are going to go ahead and get this project going. I mean, it's like every year there's something to do. There's one or a couple of projects that we just, not huge projects, but just things to enhance our living situation. If anything were to go down, that we prepare to, get that going. And so we're using here some wood that we're repurposing, and there's just pretty much scrap wood that we were able to capitalize on from different sources. We did not buy any of these, as good as you may think it may look. Some of the pieces, we did not purchase any of these. We just gathered them and use them for when we have to do our projects. You may have heard me saying this before if you've been following my content, that we do all of our projects on our own. We do not hire any help. We do not have anyone that comes over to help us do what we're doing. It's basically hubby and I, and we get together, we come up with a plan, and we decide how we are going to go forward and do our projects. So we work as a really good team, and we just do it ourselves in a fashion that we want it done in. And as you can see that, it's used wood, but it's really solid. And these are treated pieces. Some of them are treated, I guess. But these are good solid wood that people are throwing away. And we are just repurposing it here to use to make our stand to put our IBC totes on. So that way we can save some money doing what we're doing. So the measurements are being taken, making sure the wood is lined up straight, make sure it's all leveled. He's using a level right here to make sure that it's leveled. Then, of course, he eyeballs it as usual. Oh, wow, that was a defective piece of wood here. Oh, what happened to that? It had a knot in the middle? Okay. Well, we just have to work with what we got and make that do. Oh yeah, that's a big knot. What are you looking for?
Another piece of wood.
Right there?
No, it's too short.
Oh, okay.
I got another piece.
Imagine you had to cut all that and you didn't have like that power saw and you had to use that little saw. We have one of them little saws, right?
Yeah.
Let me go check it in the shed. Right there. Imagine we had to cut all that wood with this little saw. Back in the day, that's what we used. Well, a bigger one, but You get the idea of what we used back in the day as a saw. I'm pretty sure a lot of you have these saws still, but you have to have skills to be using that saw because sometimes you're cutting it and that saw, it's bigger so it bends. The metal bends when you saw in the wood. But yeah, that's pretty much it right there. Battery?
Nah, I need to tighten this.
I like a hard working man. You're handsome. I am not editing this out. Because if this camera wasn't rolling, you would respond. You're so full of it. Hi, handsome man.
Hi. Can I help you?
Can you help me? You for real? Okay. Let me let you work. Let me let you concentrate. Because I know how you get distracted. And I would like this to be done today. Right?
Right.
I'm hardworking too. I like a hardworking guy because I'm hardworking. So, once we're compatible, once we're like-minded, you know, once we have similar goals, we can work this out all day, any day. You're so focused. I like to distract you. I think it's cute because you just stay focused. What? Don't give me that look. Just imagine we had to pay for all that wood. You know I wasn't going to be buying them thick wood. The price of wood these days.
Oh, this piece is twisted so bad.
Yes. I don't know why is it twisted because the other ones in the bottom are not.
Nah, it was sitting in the weather.
Oh, okay. But isn't that treated wood?
Yep.
Well, they gypped the person that paid for it.
No, even in the store, they're not all straight like
Oh,
that. Sometimes.
I should have known that. Well, we don't buy wood. Craigslist will do.
See, that's how you know. You can get a bucket under there.
Yep. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That'll do. Whatever you say, you're the boss for today. I'm just rhyming. Okay, let me stop.
Right.
Okay, let's grab the totes now. And obviously they're not heavy because they're empty. It's just that they're bulky. So we're just going to sit this on the frame that we built. Stop. Dora, stop barking at nothing. So this is what it looks like, and it's a few feet off the ground, and the way it's built is that so that no critters can be comfortable under there. We can actually see what's going on in there. Let me show you. There's a big gap there, so they will be exposed. Right? And the front here, we're gonna put the attachment. It comes with attachment, so we're gonna put this here, and it's high enough that we can put like a 5-gallon bucket to get some water out if we need to, right there. So this is our little project, securing our water. And if you've been watching my videos, you will see that we already have a couple of those IBC tanks. They're 275 gallon a piece. And this is the setup here for the first two we have. It's coming off of our rooftop. It's coming up from the higher rooftop, and it's coming down the guttering right there onto this one, down into this pipe, and then down into the tanks. And the tanks are attached by this hose right here, so it goes into this one first and then flows over into this one and fills it up. Okay, and that's just how we chose to set it up. See all that free wood? Right, they look new, right? They ain't new. It's just wood that we realize we can repurpose and do something with while we save money. And these are the two attachments here, and they're different from this first one that we have, because this has a cam lock, but these ones you can just screw it on. And what I mean by that is just that, let me show you. So what we're gonna do now is put some pipe thread tape right here on the threads, so that makes for a better seal.
Kind of awkward to get it here.
I know, awkward angle. That's okay. The ash game is real. Your turn. And then you just simply screw that on. So that pipe thread tape acts as a washer, and it makes for a more secure seal for that fitting. It screws on really nice and tight there. There we go. Yay! But this is not all done yet, so we're gonna go ahead and do the second one, and after that we'll worry about hooking up some guttering on the top of the roof there of the chicken coop, and we'll actually get the water coming off of there. So when we're setting that up, I will make a video, and it will be the update video of our rainwater harvesting method. So this is it, it's all done, and the level is on it, but let me show you guys, it is level. And this is what my hubby does. Look how level this is. He is passionate and very careful and precise about his work. He's just meticulous, guys. So this is it. It's all done and leveled just the way it is. Handy and hard working. Simple setup with free scrap wood. Well, they call it scrap, but that's what scrap can do. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next time right here on Fifi's Journey. Mr. Fifi, say goodbye. Peace out, y'all.